Hello everyone and welcome back to Painting with Martin. Today we're here with another unboxing video of the Bolt Action's M3 Stuart. Bolt Action is a series of war games from Warlord Games, and I picked up this particular model because I intend to actually paint the Russian tanks. I mean, if you look at this one, it actually says early, mid and late, so you can play these in all periods of the war, which is really nice. And this is a tank, of course, and if you turn around, this is what it looks like on the back side, and that means you can feel this one both in the United States, Great Britain and the Soviet Union armies. And let's take it up, let's open it up and see what it looks like from the inside. So I've got a little like knife here to see what, open it up, let's see here. I've never opened this before, so you will see what it actually looks like. Okay, throw this one away. And it's, let's see here, yeah, there we go. So we've got some unit cards like this. We've got some flame markers and some bases. We've got a kind of like promotional sheet here for yeah, and also see how, like for Italieri when it comes, and also for Bolt Action, so nothing much. Now this is what we're looking for here. So we've got lots of plastic sprues. We'll take a look at this in a second. We've got the instructions looking like this, different. So you have Soviet Lend-Lease, you've got British Stuart 1, also known as Honey, and also Stuart 3s, M3A1s, as well as US M3A1s, both for camouflage for North Africa, as well as for the Pacific Theatre with a hull flamethrower. Really cool. And you can see here that actually how to put this tank together, because it requires gluing. And you can see also here really easily, as this one here, there's a little symbol here saying a rat, so for the desert rats. So you actually put on these sprues if you want to field the British tank. And the little red star over here signifies if you want to turn it into a Soviet tank. Otherwise, it's an American tank that you're going to actually field. And you can also see that one for the little yellow star here signifies American parts. So, as you can also see here, this looks like here, like different kinds of like markings. The plastic is produced by Italieri. That's why probably they sent a promotional material. So this is what it looks like. Let's see if there's anything else here. Oh yeah, inside this one you also have packed for you by Alexandra. Thank you very much, Alexandra. And you also have on the back side of this little thing here, you have the what do you call it, the decals, right? And if you haven't watched my video of how to apply decals and also what not to do, because I make plenty of mistakes, take a look at my video in the description box below. Now I'm going to open this one up for you, see what the tank sprues look like. So I'm going to take my trusty knife here. I really recommend that you have one of those handy. So taking these ones and throwing this one away. As you can see here, it looks like a fairly nice piece of tank that you can assemble. It does require assembly, as I said. It's not that hard. There's some hard parts that you find a little bit difficult, but I recommend that you dry fit them if you can, so you don't make mistakes by using super glue afterwards. This one sprue, you can also see here that you have like, you know, the internal things, part of the tracks here, some armor pieces and so on. Now, if you like these kind of videos and you want me to put it back together and then of course paint it, stay tuned for an update. So this is the M3 Stuart tank from the World War II war game Bolt Action, and check out my other Bolt Action videos in the on my channel. And also thank you to all of you who have subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much. It really helps me grow. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider doing so. It really helps me, and give it a thumbs up like this and some comments if you feel free to do so as well. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.